Hello guys, this is an application that I use to make some tests around my classroom, and the application is Kahoot. Probably you know about this application already. I think it's a little bit old, but still it's a great application for us to use in the classroom. So this is a test that I did for my second grade of elementary, and I think it's pretty cool because you can engage the students in a better way, and they can play with it. See, here I did 18 questions about the topic that we were talking about in class. So it's pretty easy to use. You just go to Google and put Kahoot, and then you can create an account, and that's real easy. So you can start doing the Kahoot here, create. You can put as many questions as you want. I put 18 this time, and then you just go to start, okay, and it's gonna send you to this place. You can choose the classic mode, okay, and it's gonna give you a pin number. That number you're gonna give it to your students. They're gonna put them in the cell phone. They can go ahead and go to Kahoot dot it here, www.kahoot.it. Put the pin number in, and that's it. They can start playing with this Kahoot. Okay, it's real easy, and like I said, you can make whatever questions that you want or that you need. So it's pretty easy. So here is my application. I hope you can use it. See you later, guys. Bye bye.